Hello everyone and welcome to Hazian Education World channel. In today's tutorial we're going to see how to iterate over a dictionary in Python. So let's get started. So let's create a dictionary and give it a name, Dicto Machine. We have seen how to do this in the previous video. So now I will just copy and paste. And this will create a dictionary called Dicto Machine, and we will have the following items, machines and corresponding IP addresses. So let's press enter and check what is inside our dictionary. And here you see that we have 4 items inside the dictionary. Now we want to iterate over our dictionary. If you try to iterate directly using for loop and the name of the dictionary, Python by default will iterate over the keys. So let's try it. For machine, in Dicto Machine, colon, and we print the machine. We press enter and you see we have the output of the keys of the dictionary: machine 1, machine 2, machine 4 and machine 9. So now we will iterate over the keys, so we will specify it in the for loop. So instead of typing just the name of the dictionary, we will add dot keys and with open and close parentheses, colon, and then we print our machines again. Enter, and here we have the same output, but this time we have specified that we want to iterate over the keys. We can also iterate over the values of the dictionary, and to do this we will use the same structure and instead of typing keys we will type values. And we will print and see the difference. This time the output is the IP addresses. And finally we can iterate through the items of the dictionary. We use the for loop, the name of the dictionary, and now we will type items. This is valid for Python version 3 only. In version 2, to iterate over the items, we should use items instead of items. We print, and here we have a different result. We have the pairs of machines and the corresponding IP addresses. So this is the end of this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. In the next video I will show you more methods used with dictionaries. If you have questions or suggestions, please comment and I will do my best to answer your comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.